This is Charles Curtis, MW. I'm here with my book, The Original Grand Crus of Burgundy, and I'm doing an in-store tasting at MacArthur Beverage today. I'm really excited to be in DC and to talk about my book. The book discusses the classification systems that existed in Burgundy prior to the AOC. I translated 7 works from the French, beginning with Claude Arnoux, who wrote in 1728, up through parts of Camille Rodier, who wrote in 1920. And it's the basis of those books that the modern AOC was developed. A lot of people think that the system we have today is carved in stone and it's always been like that, but it's not true at all. Actually, there was a lot of difference of opinion between authors in the previous centuries, and the book delves into what those differences are. And the key to the book, the fascinating thing for me, was to learn the appellations that used to be considered tête de cuvée, in other words, at the very top of the rank, and for one reason or another didn't get promoted in 1936. So it helps you discover hidden gems in Burgundy, and the book is strewn throughout with examples of really fantastic values. Don't be deluded into thinking that all Burgundy is overpriced, because it's not. There's really great juice out there at a reasonable price, and we're tasting some of it today. So hopefully you'll come down and join us.